Hey y'all, here's a quick vid on the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze radiator removal. The intercooler is these hoses remove here. These little snaps come off the hose and then pop off, and you can remove the whole intercooler, which is over here. This is removed by pressing these tabs in and sliding the intercooler up and out of the way. You don't have to remove the AC condenser. I have that hung up here with a bungee cord, as well as the transmission cooler here with a bungee cord, so you don't have to disconnect all the hoses. And there's your radiator right there. The bumper has to be removed. I wouldn't suggest anybody who hasn't worked on cars before do this, but there goes the tips. You got little snaps that hold the bumper on, and you will have to drain the system, but I'm trying to give you all the views that you can get. This is the bumper here. You're going to take these snaps out here, just little plastic connectors. All you're going to see it when you have it on. I believe those are two 10mm bolts. The bumper's going to connect and unsnap from here, okay? So don't think that there's bolts inside here. There are three hex head screws that hold this side of the bumper on. I don't know the exact size, but they're not very big. And then there's hex head screws on the bottom of the bumper that removes it. But the only ones that have to come off are these here, this one here, and then the bumper snaps off and snaps back on. Very simple. There you go. If you need to zoom in, you don't have to let down the AC system. All right, subscribe and like. Thanks for the video.